How to fix Reddit blur content issue. So if Reddit images, videos, or thumbnails are showing up blurry, hidden, or covered with a blur effect, this usually happens because of Reddit's mature content settings, or browser cache problems, or an account sync bug. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So first method, turn off the blur mature content setting. Click on your profile at the top right, go to settings. Once you're on settings, go to preferences. So scroll down and look for an option blur mature images and media under content section. Now, if this is turned on, Reddit will automatically blur sensitive posts and many image previews. Reddit officially places this under preferences for desktop users, so simply click to turn this off, just like so, and go back to the homepage, refresh Reddit, and check if the blurry content is gone. Another method is to enable show mature content. So again, go to your profile menu, go to settings. Now go to preferences. So scroll down and look for show mature content and make sure this is switched on. So if this option is disabled, Reddit can continue blocking or partially blurring many posts even when blur is turned off. After enabling it, go back to the homepage, refresh the browser, and see if that works. Now, next method is to clear browser cache and cookies. So to do that, click the View Set Information icon at the top, go to Cookies and Site Data. Now down here, tap on Manage On-Device Site Data, delete Reddit, tap on Done, reload the page, and see if that works. Next step is to log out and log back in. So click on your profile, scroll down and tap on log out. Once log out, click on login again or sign in with your Gmail account. So refresh the page if needed and see if that works. Now, for the next method is to disable browser extensions. If we use privacy extensions, adult filters, safe browsing tools, or image blockers, they can also blur or hide Reddit content. So click on the extensions at the top, tap on the three dots, and remove them from Chrome or whatever browser you're using. You can also click on the three dots right here and tap on extensions, then tap on manage extensions and remove or disable those extensions. So those are the best ways to fix the Reddit blur content issue. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.